Wow! Napasayaw si Kyle sa sarap.
Now this looks scary.
No! Told you. That is one of our... Hello, good morning guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today is another patikim po and we have the Tinola. Ayan. Dala ko yung sabaw niya, oh. Ayan. I'm sure magugustuhan na naman po nila ito. I miss this comfort food. Lahat po ng nanonood po, sumusubaybay. Thank you so much. Shout out to everyone. Thank you, thank you. Okay, let's go po. Patikim na tayo. It's a chicken tinola. It's a comfort food. It's a chicken. I'm gonna put some sauce.
Well, I got a big stomach.
Yeah. Madam. How is that now? Divine.
We should go live in Filipinos.
Sir Nicholas is eating the right way, trying to get all in one.
Yeah. He likes it too.
You like it, Sir Nicholas? Madam is eating so quickly. Alright, thank you.
Pleasure.
Thank you. Why you didn't say that earlier, sir?
I was too speechless. It was too divine. Too lekker.
Too lekker. It's really a comfort food, isn't it?
Definitely is.
You had breakfast. This is your lunch now.
You're here again?
Yeah.
My goodness, where have you been?
Yeah.
I'm so hungry.
I'm giving you chicken tinola.
Huh?
Or in short, chicken soup.
Oh. Chicken
Hold it.
tinola.
Tinola. I'm putting soup now again.
Oh.
That is one of our comfort food.
Oh, now this is this potato?
No, that's sayote.
And which is what?
SOU SOU.
Okay, that still doesn't tell me what it is.
You call SOU SOU here in South Africa. That is one of our comfort food.
And what is this?
Chicken.
Oh, chicken, eh? All right. This is it is very comfortable actually.
Yes.
I still don't know what SOU SOU is, but I like it.
Sayote.
Yeah, whatever. Very soft.
You don't know about it? Okay, you must research about it.
Ooh, a little bit of ginger.
There's ginger there.
Mmm.
That's the main ingredient.
That's raw ginger.
Yeah.
Little grate, like little grate
I
pieces
slice
of
a little bit.
Mm.
Slice, yeah.
Ooh.
That is the main ingredients for that one.
ginger.
Yeah.
Very nice. You know what? Soon, I won't only look ugly and old, I'll look ugly, old and fat. And it'll be your fault.
That's okay. You're eating nice food, that's why. It's justified.
I like your food.
Thank you.
I'm going to give a shout out to some famous people this year. Am I not? Don't eat all of it.
Yeah.
Fine.
Wow.
You've been very forceful today.
Bradley loves tinola.
I do. Look at me.
Uh-huh.
I'm eating like a pig.
Thank you so much.
I like it.
Wow. Yes. Thank you. Thank you.
You know, on a cold day, cold rainy night,
Yeah. Yes.
nice plate of that. Awesome, eh?
Okay.
Now this looks scary.
No. This is a soup. That is a soup. That is a comfort food. Madam, this is not scary. You
Like, what are you giving me here?
You said it's scary. It's a soup.
I can see, but when
With
you put that,
spinach.
like,
I didn't put the soup there
Okay.
because
So
it
it's gonna
will be
run.
absorbed.
so it's spinach, potato. What's this? Potato.
That's sayote or SOU SOU something. Oh. Told you.
This is nice.
Yeah, it's our
The
comfort
broth is so
food.
good.
The broth is so good.
You know,
Why is it so soft and yummy?
because I cook it with love.
With lots of love. No, this is the one.
Yeah.
I like it, but I like all your food. I think I should actually be honorary Filipino
Yeah.
because
You know, if you go to Philippines, oh my goodness,
you can miss
lot.
Zulu, what's it? Filipino.
Yeah, Filipino. There's a lot of food that you can enjoy.
No, this is nice, and it's like got it's like a party.
You know, if we are not feeling well,
Yeah.
we're cooking that to have a lot of soup.
Yeah, no, it's very hot.
And it's rainy days, that's also good.
You can taste it's good. Well done. Well done.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, I love your.
You call
The
it
last one was.
chicken tinola.
I love soup and chicken foods. They make me. Oh. Oh wow! Is this potato?
No, sayote
What's sayote?
or suzu. You don't know that vegetable.
It's so soft. My spoon just went right through it.
Yes. Wow! Napasayaw si Kyle sa sarap.
The flavor. Oh, taking me places here. Tastes amazing. Chicken just looks so soft.
Yes, it is. Nagustuhan na naman guys. She loves it.
Tastes so good.
Oh, is it nice?
Oh, it's lovely. You're gonna love this one especially. Oh,
Oh my gosh, guys.
the sauce is the soup is so good. So creamy, soft, sweet, but
Yeah.
salty. It's always this combination that I love. The chicken's smooth, goes down in your mouth, easy to chew.
Kyle, there is one comment. You always eat a lot, but you don't get fat. Grabe, oh.
Oh, I love this.
Grabe, guys. You love it.
The way the meat just falls off the bone.
Wow. It's really a comfort food, eh?
I will eat this on a rainy day,
Yes.
watching some TV.
Yes. It is really for rainy day. And if people are not feeling well, we're preparing that, you know,
I'll-
so that they
Will
should
take
have.
the flu away from me.
Yes. Thank you, Kyle.
Thank you.
Ooh, another success with
Big
Kyle.
thumbs up.
Wow. Thank you.
Thank you.
See you next week.
Enjoyed this very, very much. Thank you so much.
Thank you. This is a comfort food.
Oh, again.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Chicken tinola.
This is to die for. This is even better than that other one you did. Macaroni.
Oh. Kyle had a happy dance with the food. Oh, they love it, guys. Chicken tinola is a winner.
It's a winner. Chicken dinner.
Tinola. Madam is speechless.
I am speechless. It's got such flavor. Divine. Divine.
It's a clean plate, madam. Not yet.
Nearly.
Nearly.
I'm busy talking.
Happy tummy! Yay!
Thank you.
This one, it's a chicken. Yeah. It's a comfort food. Wait, I will, there's a sauce. I must put sauce.
Soy sauce.
No, not
I want chili sauce.
there's no chili. That is our comfort food.
Okay. And you want another
One more?
And what is this?
It's a chicken.
And
Chicken.
this one? I can see the chicken. And this one is spinach.
Spinach and sayote.
Sayote.
Susu.
This one is sayote.
Or we call it SOU SOU. One more. No, you must taste this. This is a comfort food. Yeah. You see, I gave you breakfast and now lunch.
Sometime.
But the breakfast was nice. Huh?
The breakfast.
Me, I like this one.
Just wake up and then, but you never take the breakfast. That's why.
So there's no oil. I can see you don't put cooking oil.
We don't really put a lot of oil.
I can see. Which means it's
Why you like
very
oil?
healthy. No, I don't like oil.
And how is it, sir?
Who's cooking here first?
I am.
So the one who's cooking.
You know I'm not cooking here.
Yeah, that is, you're eating now a Filipino food.
I know your story.
Very nice.
They want another.
I know. Other people they must test also.
Yeah. So, better luck next time.
No, that's the one going to start selling this one. Because
Okay guys, thank you so much.
it's a pleasure.
We didn't appreciate.
Now I'm eating
Chicken tinola.
chicken tinola.
Yeah.
See you guys in the best of the best. On top of the red.
Thank you. We have our comfort food. We call it chicken tinola. It is chicken soup.
Oh,
Yes. With sayote and SOU SOU. Hold it.
oh, I love sushi.
No, SOU SOU is sayote. It's a
Well, it's
vegetable.
SAYOTE.
Yeah.
Okay.
Madam? That is like comfort food. You know, if people are not feeling well, that's
Yeah.
what we serve them.
Oh, is
So
it?
you get energy.
Okay.
I've got samples if you want to
So
try
this
them.
is actually a healthy food.
Yes.
That's good. It's very nice. It's
These are just
lovely.
crunchy. They don't
What about your mom? Is what okay? That's okay with you?
look like the whole day.
No,
Very
not
nice.
really. Oh.
No, this is also very nice. I like the sauce. It's very nice. It goes very well with the rice and the chicken.
I was using jasmine rice.
Yeah, that's very nice.
Alright. Thank you so much, madam.
That's a pleasure. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you, guys. Hello, guys. Ayan, nasarapan po sila sa ating tinola. Grabe. Tuwang-tuwa naman po ako. Ang saya-saya ko po kung nakikita kong yung nasasayahan sila, nasasarapan sila sa pagkain. And I am proud to be Pinay. Ayan. Thank you for watching, guys. Hope to see you in my next vlog. Please share and thumbs up po kung nagustuhan nyo, and please subscribe para naman po masuportan ng ating channel. See you po in my next vlog. Bye-bye.
Amna Adil, Ariel Gahu, Basil Floch, Jamari Padronis, Mary Chris Trodio, Mobile Tech 2, Nene, what is that? Duma
Diego,
Diego Villa Akan, and Northern Wings.
Yeah, shout out everyone.
Yay!
Thank you for watching,
My
guys.
darling.
I'm going to give some shout outs today to Ellen Samar Tomagan, Dai Misti Nawasa, the Europa family, who come from Europa, where the history is, you know, castles, things like that. Jewel Vlogs, hey Jewel Vlogs. Sprint Rider PH.
Yeah.
What is he riding? Tess Mendoza.
Yeah.
Oh, Mendoza. And Big Birth. Abby the Abby.
Abi.
Abby the Abby.
Yeah.
Or Abby.
Oh, okay.
Abby the Abby. Abby the
Okay.
Abby. So anyway,
No, all.
all of them. Oh, my God. Huh?
They are your fans.
Oh.
Okay.
Well, another shout out to Bitwin Punto,
Okay.
Rich Passion, Min Blanvigia. I hope that's not too bad. Sorry if my pronunciation is bad. I can barely speak my own language. That's English. Nisar Josh Sai, Pons Mislang, Rosemary Lonzano, Saba Life 2022, and Siegfried. So I hope all of you guys have a fabulous, fabulous weekend and a very good month coming for May.
I just want to film her taking this.
What is this now?
Just take shot.
Oh my gosh.
Just do it.
Madam is selling ginger shot. And these two here, the two witches of my life. Oh my gosh.
Just do it.
What is this, Becca?
Just shot it.
It's a ginger shot. Ginger shot. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's an explosion of spiciness. Oh, asar ka talaga, Becca. She gave me the spicy one. Yeah, but you know me, I don't really like spicy. And I got like shocked. It's exploded in.
I bought it for Christina. She was the one that designed it.
You witch.